Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Thursday's Daily Financial Digest. And here's what's making the headlines in the markets today.
The Bitcoin dollar pair rose 0.9% in the last session. The CCI is giving a negative signal, going against our overall technical analysis. The euro-dollar pair dove 1% in the last session. The ultimate oscillator is giving a negative signal, which matches our overall technical analysis. The pound-dollar pair dove 1% in the last session. The stochastic indicator's positive signal contradicts our overall technical analysis. The Aussie-dollar pair plummeted 1.7% in the last session. The ROC is giving a negative signal, which matches our overall technical analysis.
And now let's hear what our chief analyst picked up for us today.
US consumer prices increased more than expected in March as Americans continued to pay more for gasoline and rental housing, leading financial markets to anticipate that the Federal Reserve would delay cutting interest rates until September. Gold prices held steady near a record high hit in the previous session, as a favorable mix of emerging inflationary risks and ongoing geopolitical tensions underpinned the safe haven metal. Crypto exchange Coinbase said that United Kingdom-based users can now purchase Bitcoin and other digital assets using their iPhone's Apple Pay feature. Coinbase believes enabling Apple Pay would give its users a more secure and private way to buy crypto.
Those were today's major economic events. And now, moving on to world financial headlines.
The US initial jobless claims will be released at 12:30 p.m. GMT. Italy's industrial output at 8 a.m. GMT. The US continuing jobless claims at 12:30 p.m. GMT. Australia's consumer inflation expectations will be released at 1 a.m. GMT. The US producer price index at 12:30 p.m. GMT. The Eurozone's Eurogroup meeting at 7 a.m. GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Thursday's Market Outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.